Hi, today we are going to review Snoop Slime's March Subscription box, and I have been waiting for it, and I think I'm really going to love this one. And we have Spring Sunrise Sorbet, Snoop Sakura Bubble Tea, Fluffy Bunny Mellow. And by the looks, I'm very excited. We also get an activator spray and a cute little bunny. And we get a Snoop Slime's S sticker. First, we are going to review Spring Sunrise Sorbet. And it smells just like oranges or even peaches. And it is a very packed bingsu with the mini icy base. And I love the vibrant color of this one. It really does remind me of a sunset. And the crackles are amazing when it's just by itself. And even when you play with the slime, you get whiffs of the scent, which I really like because normally with regular slime, I don't get that. Off camera, I inflated the slime a little bit so the icy base will look better. I love Snoop Slime's small ices. I feel like the smaller ices just have something so special about them. And this one, I don't know, it has a scent to it, but I don't know what. It's kind of like, it's not very fruity. Smells kind of like laundry. Let's assemble. Now for the charms. And this one comes with a little bouquet. And I love the little butterflies on here. They look so realistic and adorable. Probably put the charm right here. Time to mix. I can already tell that these colors are going to look amazing together. Let me know what you think the color is going to be. And just with a little bit of inflating, it has amazing bubble pops. And you can still see those beautiful butterflies. I already love this subscription box. Next, we are going to review Snoop Sakura Bubble Tea. And I personally am a humongous fan of boba. So I am very excited for this one. And this one, as you can see, is so clear. You can see my hand through it. And you get this beautiful little pack of charms. I have never had any Sakura, but I'm sure it tastes amazing. It's kind of like a good putty. I feel like its texture is very putty-like. But that's all right. It almost feels like it has a coating on it, but I do love the little boba pearls. They look so realistic. This one doesn't have the best ASMR exactly, and maybe not the best texture, but I do really love the theme of this one. And I think maybe if I had some glycerin on hand, then that would work. But I might just have to leave it in a warm room for a little bit, so soften up. This is not my ideal texture of slime, but if you do like putty slimes, then I would recommend this one. And lastly, we are going to review Fluffy Bunny Marshmallow, or Mellow. This one is again a frosting or a butter slime, and I do love this texture, but when it comes down, when it's a butter slime with the DIY clay slime, I'm not a huge fan of that, because if you add so much clay in your slime, then it unfortunately does not last long because of so much clay. So I know when I'm gonna mix it that it's not gonna last that long and be super, super stiff, which I don't really like, but at least the base is a nice color and a good texture. And it smells very sweet. Like the last subscription boxes I've reviewed from her have this same smell with the DIY clay slimes, and it's very interesting. It's like sweet honey scent. It's a little odd. And you can already see how cute the little faces of the bunny in here. I hate opening these lids. You can see how adorable it is. I don't want to mix it in. I love its little face. It's so derpy, and I love all the glitter and the little bent ear. And then we have these little charms, which has the little bunny. I forgot what it's called, but it looks like it's from that little show with the bunny and the little chick, which I really love that show. Time to mix. So I thought about it, and I'm gonna end up not mixing the Fluffy Bunny Mellow because it is already so clay heavy, as I said, so I'm just gonna end up adding the sprinkles into the slime because I know for a fact it is not gonna last long and it's not gonna be a great consistency. So you can add it if you want, but I'm not. I'm just gonna keep it how it is. I do really love the charms though. They're super, super cute. I'm sorry if you're looking forward to the clay, but I just really don't want to mix it because it's just not going to be good at all. And I'm just not that excited about that. But thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please like the video. And make sure to subscribe and leave a comment on what I should review next. Like I said, I do have so many packages from other slime companies, but I am going to buy from Rotom Slime soon. Maybe not in the next couple of reviews, but maybe in a little. So please subscribe, like, and comment, and have a great day. Bye!